Good morning, children. Today in this video we have to discuss about the gravitation, the part of the third chapter. In gravitation, you know about the gravitation. Gravitation is the property of earth to attract any body towards itself. Due to the attraction power of earth, two body is always attract on the earth surface to each other due to the gravitational force which is acted between the two bodies. The amount of force which is acted between the two bodies of the different mass, first we have to apply the Newton's law of gravitation, how to calculate the force between the two bodies on the earth surface. Let us consider the two bodies A and B, which have the different mass m1 and m2, are separated at small distance r from each other. With the force of attraction, the force applied at the B due to A is denoted by FBA. Force at A due to B, it is denoted by FAB. Both force is equal in magnitude but direction is opposite. So, how to calculate the magnitude of the force between the two bodies of different mass? According to Newton's law of gravitation, the force between the two bodies of different mass is directly proportional to the multiplication of their masses. That is, multiplication of masses is m1 and m2. So F is directly proportional to m1 m2, and force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the two bodies. It is given r. So according to the 2 points, we have to write F is proportional to m1 m2 by r square. So proportionality sign should be replaced by the constant, and here we have to use the proportionality constant capital G, m1 m2 by r square, where capital G is called universal gravitational constant. Universal gravitational constant. Why it is called the universal? Because the value of capital G is remain constant during the change of place. At every place the capital G in the inverse, it is remain constant, and the value of capital G is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11, and unit according to this formula we have to find out the unit of capital G, F into r square, that is Newton meter square upon m1 m2, that is kg into kg square. So capital G, the value of capital G is 6.67 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. So the force between the two bodies is calculated by the formula according to the Newton's law of gravitation, F equal to capital G m1 m2 by r square. The gravitational force is follow the inverse square law, because F is inversely proportional to r square. Force between the two bodies is equal in magnitude but direction is opposite. According to the given relation, we can write FAB, vector FAB equal to minus FBA. Why we have applied the negative sign? Because direction is opposite, because force is the vector quantity. But in magnitude, FAB equal to FBA. Both force is equal in magnitude. We have taken the mod of the force, so both are equal. So if mass is different m1 and m2, but force which is applied by another body to the first body, or force at the first body due to the second body, so ratio between F1 ratio F2 is always 1:1. Suppose that m1 is given 2 kg and m2 is given 4 kg, but the ratio between force at the second due to the first, force at the first due to the second is always in the ratio 1:1. It is independent of the mass. Thank you.